Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Government Girls High Secondary School Jawai ha khatsan tarik no pra ka Pynkut no e Jinglehkmen Jubili Ksiar ni Golden Jubili Hapdeng ka Jingiphuh Iphieng ha jingalang ka belalong ha plau ka school. Ha ka di ka skila don lang Menteri Ketanat Puli Puthi ka Sarkar Jela ubala ka Benrembui ka Mukongsan ringkat Menteri Ketanat Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sarkar Jela uba welan Mikishla. Ubala ka Benrembui ha bakran ha ka jingalang ulapan jingmut ha ka jingade ka bajiliu jong ka motu jong ka school ka boong thing act flourish dak bukentu ki khna school ban shim yaka kum ka nongrem ban yo e ka jingjam Menteri upan pawru e ka jingthmu jong ka sarkar ban pen khlan ya katnat puli puthi ha ka jila dak bakdo e ka jingkiu ka dan dang shen jong ki katuk ani ki school secondary shaka ka dan high secondary ha baro ka ka jila katba uba wailat mi ki shila ka jingkran ulapan skam ba ka puli puthi ka de ka bahkmat e jong ka sarkar ulai khuble ka jing persang ba yai biteng jong Menteri katnat puli puthi ban pen klan ya kani katnat lingba ka jingpen bha yi ki jingtei bat ka jingpen rong no hikai ha ka por ka babyang ki beide ki bladan lang ha kani sngi ki long u director of school education and literacy Meghalaya uba BJ Kharshandi MCS ka principal coordinator Jubili celebration core committee ba district school education officer West Chanda Hills ka Dr. Waisa Sumer ba u principal government girls high secondary school Jawai uba ki simle
Flourish. This is a very, very important thing in our life. We have to think and we have to act. And to be able to do that, we need our parents at home, we need our teachers in school so that we will be able to flourish. But more importantly, we as the children, we as the student, we need the determination in ourselves how to flourish. You have to think and you have to act. The government of Meghalaya in last 7.5 years has very lived to its determination, to its goal that education is the top priority. And I'm very happy that the government are able to give the best facilities to its own school. The government this year able to upgrade all the secondary school to higher secondary school. And more importantly, when we talk about school, it is not only the building, it is the quality of the teachers and also the enrollment of the student. That is very, very important. It is very easy for the government to invest in building. But investing in building is not a question of investing in building. It is because we keep the interest of the student as a priority. So my dear student, the government have put education as a topper and we are working with it. We are trying to address the burden of the parent by enhancing the scholarship to students. This